Good morning. Welcome back to the restoration project of the 912. Today we are going to dry ice blast the body of the car. So we're removing the rust. That's an exciting day. Looking forward to seeing how it's been done. Lucky as the company agreed to also let us record some of the work. So really looking forward to that. That will be quite exciting. I'll put some more details later on the video. But first of all, let's see how that's going. Enjoy.